cold open, dive into the world of empathy. Ever heard of the empathy quadrant? It's a handy tool that makes understanding empathy a breeze. Imagine a 2x2 grid. The vertical axis represents self, the horizontal others. First quadrant, self-oriented empathy. You feel others' emotions as if they were your own. It's intense but can lead to emotional burnout. Second quadrant, others-oriented empathy. You recognize and validate others' emotions, but maintain emotional boundaries. It's helpful and promotes understanding. Third quadrant, self-oriented detachment. You're aware of your feelings but not others. This can lead to self-centered behavior. Last quadrant, others-oriented detachment. You understand others' emotions without feeling them. It's objective, but can seem cold. Remember, empathy isn't one size fits all. It's a spectrum, and we all fall somewhere different. Keep exploring, stay curious, and until next time, keep the empathy alive.